Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a brand new restaurant website that I built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website is fully responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices, whether you're on a phone, tablet, or desktop. It comes with multiple pages, including a home page, menu page, cart page, about page, blog page, and a checkout page. And yes, more exciting pages are coming soon. This is just a quick introduction. The full step-by-step tutorial will be available very soon on my channel. If you want to get this full website template right now, just check the description box. You'll find the purchase link there. Stay tuned and don't miss the full tutorial.